Create Vivo Flip Card effects to change wallpapers on any Android. The app lets you add up to 5 images, and they'll switch automatically whenever you flip your phone like this. The effect can be applied right on your home screen and is compatible with most Android smartphones. Open Play Store. Search and install a Screen app. Complete first setup application. Select Magic Wallpaper. Demo Preview. Change your images. Import your images to Magic Wallpaper. Repeat the same process for all the remaining sections. You can preview before apply. Apply this. Watch ads to unlock or buy VIP. Unlock. Apply both home screen and lock screen. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.